Hai guys, hari ni kita nak unboxing N-Pod. Ding 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 ding. So malam ni kita nak unboxing Grape Neo. Guys, Grape Neo guys. So, kita unboxing. Wow. 4 piece. Kita nak unboxing satu macam. Hai. Okay guys, Grape Neo.